Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Welcome back. Today we are going to start a new chapter. So, children, do you watch news? You know what is going on in the world? Yes, latest news is about coronavirus, new COVID strain, and now what is going on? Bird flu. Yes, and we are taking precautions for that. Okay, children, nowadays within a second or within a minute, we are able to know about what is going on in the world. So, it is because of communication. Yes, if you want to talk to your friend urgently, nowadays what you are using? Yes, mobile. If you want to send message, you are using WhatsApp. Yes. So it is because of communication or sending messages. Yes. So today our chapter name is chapter 16, sending messages. Looking ahead, what we will learn in this chapter? Yes, see, the meaning of the communication. Yes, what is communication, children? The act of sharing and exchanging information, feelings and ideas. Yes, understood? So, in Hindi, what we will tell? सूचनाओं, विचारों और भावनाओं के आदान प्रदान की क्रिया. Okay, understood? So we will learn about communication in this chapter and the different means of personal communication. Postal system, email, personal communication. If we want to send personally messages to anyone, means we will use. Okay, so postal system, email, telephones, cell phone, smartphone we are using nowadays. Okay, the different means of mass communication. We will learn about the different means of mass communication, means newspapers, radio, television and all. So children, we will learn about the way of communication in this chapter. Okay, so now see, when we share our thoughts, ideas and feeling or exchange information with people, we say we are communicating. Okay, we are talking. Okay, when we are talking with each other. Speech is the fastest method of communication between people. However, when we have to share our feeling or exchange information with people who are not physically present with us, we send messages. Yes, when people are not with us and we have to tell anything to them, so we are using what? The different way of communication to send our messages. Okay, so now we will see there are several ways of sending messages. There are several ways. Yes, we can send letter or telegram to a friend, talk to her over the phone. Yes, you are talking nowadays, and or send an email. Yes, email also you can send by laptop or by your computer. Okay, long ago people sent messages through carrier pigeons. Yes, these pigeons. Okay, yes, or had to send someone with the message, or had to send someone with the message also. Okay, however, we know I have more reliable and faster method of sending messages. Let us read about few of them. Yes, nowadays we are having more and more reliable and faster method of sending message. So now we will see and learn about few of them. So now we will see it. Do you know, children? Kings or ancient people, yes, used to write letters on leaves. Yes, after that they used to write on clothes. Yes, like this. Okay, time people are using pen, paper to write. Okay, so children, in 1852 postal system started. Okay, in 1852 postal system started. So children, people nowadays using pen or paper, or we can see here we are using letters. Before, when we are using letters, when our new networking sites are not available, so our dada dadis, nana nanis are sending letters to each other. Yes, like this. Here you can see the letter, we are telling it letter, which if you want to send, you have to write your address and whom you are sending that address also, and you have to use this tickets. Okay, this is ticket we are using. Understood? Yes. Now we will see the next one. Now we will learn about the postal system. This postal system. Okay. So children, do you know people who cannot hear and speak communicate with others using the sign? Yes, people those who are those who are not able to hear or speak, they can communicate with using sign. Yes, like this. Yes means like this, and no means like this. Okay, understood? They are using sign. Okay, so children, postal system. So we will learn about what is postal system. Yes, the postal system was established for sending messages. Yes, and when established in 1852, there are thousands of post offices. Yes, like this. Okay, we are posting letters and post offices also here. Okay, we will in Hindi we are telling Bhartiya Dak. Okay, in Hindi what we tell, the name of post office is Bhartiya Dak. There are thousands of post office all over India. We can send letters through different post offices. Yes, we can send letters through different post offices. We can also send money orders and parcels also. Yes, we can send money orders and parcels also if you want to send parcel or money order. Post offices also offer courier services. Yes, known as speed post. What it is known as? Speed post. If post office offers you courier services, that services is known as speed post. Okay, in this we can send as soon as our courier. Okay, letters sent through speed post take only 1 or 2 days to reach any city in India. Yes, when we are sending with speed post, they only take 1 or 2 days. Okay, to reach in any city in India. Okay, courier services are also offered by a number of other private companies in India. Courier services are also offered by a number of other private companies in India. So now we will see the next slide. Did you know, children? Other method of sending messages is through social networking site. Yes, social networking site. What are the social networking site nowadays we are using? Such as Facebook, yes, or WhatsApp. All are using. Yes. A message can be sent either to a single person or to a several friends. By this networking site, we can send a message either to a single person or to a several friends. Okay, so email is one of the networking site. Yes, email nowadays we can do by your mobile also. So email, a very convenient and fast method of sending messages today is electronic mail or email. We can tell email. Okay, email means electronic mail. Email are sent through the computer, connect to the internet. Yes, email can send through computer, connect to the internet. These days, email can also be sent through mobile phones. Yes, these days we can send through mobile phones also, email. Okay, understood? Yes. So we will see the next slide. So children, our next way of communication is telephone. Children, what you are using? Mobile phones. Nowadays we are using mobile, but before it, what we are using? We are using telephone. Yes. So children, do you know who invented first telephone and what is the name of that scientist? Yes, first telephone invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell invented the first telephone in 1876. Okay children, the telephone is the fastest and most convenient means of sending spoken messages. Almost every city and town in India is now connected by telephone. We can instantly talk to anyone, anywhere in India or in the world through the telephone. Yes, anywhere, anytime. Okay. To talk to someone in another city in India, we use the STD. If you want to talk anyone in India, we use STD. Yes. What is STD? Subscriber Trunk Dialing Facility. STD, full form of STD is Subscriber Trunk Dialing Facility. Okay. If you want to talk to someone in another country, the ISD facility we are using. ISD, the full form of ISD is International Subscriber Dialing Facility. Okay, International Subscriber Dialing Facility. Got it? Yes children. Some pictures, different telephones we are using. First is like this telephone. Okay, then like this, then say like this one here, like this also we are using. Yes, we all are using these types of telephone. Got it? Okay, now we will see. Dear children, now I will show you one video clip. In that you can see evolution of communication. See and enjoy the video.
To Major Tom.
Yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us continue with our lesson. Our next way of communication is mobile or cell phone are phones that can be carried along with you. Yes, like this. Okay, they are very convenient. We can also send short messages through our mobile phones. We can send short messages through our mobile phone using the short messaging services SMS. Yes, SMS, our full form of SMS is short messaging services. We can send through mobile phones. Okay children, now do you know? With cell phones becoming cheap and new method of sending urgent messages such as email and SMS, fewer and fewer people are sending handwritten letters now. Yes, okay, with cell phone become cheap and new method of sending urgent messages such as email and SMS, fewer and fewer people are sending handwritten letters. Okay. Yes, because it's very convenient. Cell phones, telephones. Okay. It is very fastest method. So now we will see the next slide. Yes. Next is smartphone. These days smartphones are popular. I know children, you all are using smartphone only. Apart from allowing you to make calls, okay, not only for calls, smartphones can be used to connect to the internet, send and receive emails, take pictures and view them, and download and listen to the music. These all features are in the smartphone. So smartphones is like this. Okay. Next is fax machine. Fax machine is like this, children. Okay. Yes. Instantly send written messages or pictures. We can use fax facilities. A fax or a facsimile is a document sent over the telephone. For this, you need to fax machine connected to a telephone line. Okay, you need to fax machine connect to a telephone line. Got it, children? Yes. Now we will see the next slide. Yes. Now, mass media. What is mass media? Mass media. Okay. Till now, we have talked about personal communication or one person sending messages to another. But often, we also need to send messages to a large number of people. Okay, at the same time, we need to send messages to the several people. Okay, large number of people. This can be done through newspapers, radio and television. Yes, you in the morning, I know your mama, your papa and you also reading it. Yes. So these are called mass media. Got it, children? They are means of mass communication. What are means of mass communication? Television, radio and newspapers. Okay, that is communicating a messages to a large number of people. Got it? You can see here media, internet, radio, television, magazines, newspapers, all are mass media communication. Okay, children? Yes. Now we will see the next slide. First we will see about newspapers. Yes. Times of India, English newspaper. Yes. Chronicle and Dainik Jagran and Dainik Bhaskar is Hindi. Okay, Hindi newspapers. So newspapers gives us news and information about event from all over the world. We know about all over the world what is going on. Okay, yes, with newspaper only we come to know about what is going on in small or a big city also. Okay. A large number of newspapers are published in India in several Indian languages. Not only in Hindi and English it's published. It is published in other languages. Okay, several languages like Tamil, like Urdu. Okay, all the languages. Radio gives us news. Yes, as well as educational and entertainment programs. It is very useful for people who cannot read or write. Yes, the people those who cannot read or write, they can listen on radio. Yes, radio signal can be received all over India. Yes, radio signal can be received all over India. The FM frequency modulation. Yes, FM is frequency modulation. Radio City. Yes, has become very popular in our city. Yes, yes, you know children, Radio City. Okay, yes, have become very popular in our city. Got it? Yes. Now we will see the next one. News, educational and entertainment programs telecast on television are watched by millions of people. Yes, millions of people are watching television. Okay. Important sports and cultural event can be shown live, pronounced live. Or on television, this is possible because of satellite. Yes, because of satellite. And you can see in this picture how satellites are connected with television. If signals of satellites are not there, then television cannot give these informations. Okay, so televisions are connected with satellites. Television signals from one part of the world can be sent to the another part of the world through satellite. Yes, okay. Through satellites. Television signals from one part of the world can be sent to another part of the world through satellites. Okay. Television signals can be also be received all over India since television sets are expensive. Television sets are expensive. Okay, very expensive sets are there. Our government has installed television set at community center in several villages in India. Yes, our government has installed television set. Okay, at community center in several villages in India. Okay, so we will see the next now. So, understood children, the importance of newspaper, radio and television. So, we will see the next slide. Yes, review time. So, what you have learned in this chapter, just see. These days, we have faster and more reliable method of sending messages. Okay, we can send letters, money orders, parcel through our post office. Telephone is the fastest and most convenient means of sending a message. Newspaper, radio and television are media of mass communication. Television is the most popular means of mass communication. Got it? These points we learned in this chapter. So, understood this chapter? Yes, I hope you understood this chapter. Okay, now we will see the homework. Yes, homework time. Write 2 advantages of the following. You have to write the advantages. Okay, so advantages of TV, mass media, cell phone, email and fax. Okay, understood children? So by this I conclude my chapter. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, thank you so much. So stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Thank you.